And then moving into the property, we have a lobby area which leads into this lovely through hallway with original mint and tiled flooring. We have 3 reception rooms, a kitchen, utility, conservatory and ground floor toilet, all on this floor. Starting with the first reception room here, good size window to the front aspect. Lovely high ceilings, decorative coving and ceiling rows forming part of the characterful features in this house. And then we have the stairs going up to the first floor and a useful built-in understairs pantry. Some steps going down to a really great storage space. And then second reception room. Really super formal dining room. And then here we have an aspect to the courtyard area of the garden. And there's a further door leading to outside, just at the side here. And then we can go into the third reception room. Very much a breakfast room off the kitchen. Lovely high window, double doors going out to the side of the property. And there's also fitted cabinets. Again, very good for storage purposes. And then we continue into the kitchen. So gas point for a cooker, space for dishwasher in here, and through to the utility where there is space for washing machine, tumble dryer as well. We also have the ground floor toilet and wash basin, always extremely useful. And then just looking back in the kitchen where there is space for an American style fridge freezer. We also have the wall mounted gas boiler just located here. Further door going to outside, additional sink unit. And then we have the conservatory. Lovely space here, overlooking the rear garden. And then onto the first floor, where we've got the stairs leading up to the top floor. We have 3 bedrooms and bathroom on this floor here. So the first bedroom towards the front of the house, where we have 2 windows to the front aspect. Really great sized room. Lots of space for wardrobes in here. And then continuing across to the next bedroom, another lovely double-sized room with the added benefit of having its own ensuite shower room. So fully tiled shower cubicle with electric shower and also a toilet in here. So facing across the rear garden. And then Next we have the bathroom with wash basin, toilet and bath with shower above. And then at the far end we have another bedroom, again lovely proportions. And an aspect to the rear. And then on to the top floor where we have 2 bedrooms and a separate bathroom. First bedroom here towards the front of the house, where we have a Velux window and further window to the side, and then some covered eaves storage space. And across to the next bedroom. So this one with a view to the rear, and then there's a recessed area there, ideal for a wardrobe. And then we have the bathroom with WC, wash basin and panel bath with electric shower above. Then just heading outside where we have a detached workshop. There's also a lovely courtyard area here with gated access which leads back through to the front of the house. Okay, they're moving through to the main lawned garden area. Where we have an additional flagged patio, built-in fire pit and steps leading up to further patio area, and then onto the detached games room. Super storage space for a variety of purposes, and a further little paved area, and then gated access which leads back out onto Fairfield Road. And then just looking back at the house, and that concludes the online viewing. If you would like to arrange a physical viewing, then please do call us as soon as you can, and we'll speak to you soon. Thanks very much. Bye for now.